Hey friends, Scott Smith with the Smith Team at Keller Williams. Happy Friday. It is a beautiful fall day. Wanted to share with you some tips as we are getting into the cooler months in Minnesota. Just some home maintenance reminders to protect your home and your investment as we head into fall. I'm going to start with a couple things that I'll start with F. So furnaces, fireplaces, faucets, airflow, and fire prevention are all some of those F things. I'll just share with you some cool ideas just to remind you of how to protect your home as an investment and make sure everything's buttoned up as we head into winter. Here we go.
If you have a fireplace, it's really important to make sure it gets tuned up and that chimney is clear. Make sure your smoke detectors are ready with fresh batteries as you're heading into those winter months. And also changing your furnace filter on a regular basis. Have the cheap ones ready to go. Our home inspectors recommend the cheaper ones. When you're draining your faucets, make sure that if you have a sprinkler system, those are getting drained. If you wonder what those crazy vents are outside your house, make sure that those are clear. And also, fall is a great time to put that fertilizer down so next spring you've got a nice weed-free green lawn. Thanks, and we'll talk to you next week.